Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, Appa have one of my favorite fish here, Hai Di Ji, yeah? Literally translated as undersea chicken. I think the real name should be, scientific name should be bloober lips snapper. Yeah, one type of snapper, but the meat is actually more tender than normal snapper. Okay, so this is probably about 600-700 grams. It's not very big, just nice for table size for my family or 3 to 4. What we need to prep the fish. Oh, before I'm going to tell you what am I going to make. Actually, yesterday, one of my followers from Indonesia, she actually steamed one fish using preserved radish. Yeah, preserved radish. So, long time I haven't made it, so I'm going to make it today. It is really nice. I almost forgot about this dish. So thanks to her for reminding Appa. First of all, let's come and see how we can prep the fish. Make sure you clean the fish kidney thoroughly. So where is the fish kidney? Some may ask. This part, the middle part, yeah, the middle bone, usually there are some blood stain. Sometimes there could be a very thin layer that will cover the blood stain. Remove that layer. There will be some blood stain inside. Remove this. This is the fish kidney, and this is the main source of fishiness. Remove it, yeah? Wash it away. Then, of course, you want to make few slits on the fish body on both sides. Then we can marinate the fish with a little bit of fine salt. And before sending to the steamer, I will put in a few pieces of ginger on top. Alright, now it's ready to be sent to the steamer. While it's steamed, we will make the radish, preserved radish. So once you preheated your steamer to at least 100 degrees Celsius, you can slowly, carefully put in the fish. And we will steam this fish probably about 8-9 minutes. While waiting for my steamer to heat up, let's very quickly look at the ingredient. Of course, first of all, I have one small bowl of sweetened preserved radish, 甜菜脯. Yeah, it is a caipo, but it's the sweetened type. I don't like to use the salted type. The salted type, it's so difficult to control the saltiness. So no matter what you do, even though you rinse it, you soak it, it is still going to be very, very salty. So anyway, I prefer to use the sweetened one. So I can just, instead of wanting to remove the saltiness from the salted caipo, it's much more easier for me to add a little bit of saltiness into the sweetened caipo. Yeah, easier to control, right? Then I have some about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, a bit of red chili, and some fresh coriander for garnishing. Alright, so first of all, you get ready a wok or a deeper pan. Why deeper pan? Because your caipo will jump later. Give it a little bit of oil and heat it up. Alright, once you have heated up the wok, you can put in the caipo, yeah? Oops, see, it started to jump. It will jump all over the place. So we are going to saute this caipo for a couple of minutes until you can see, you should be able to tell by the looking at it, it will start to become charred and it will shrunk. And it will become crispy, yeah? Normally I prefer to use a little bit more, but this is what I left in my fridge today, so no choice. See how it's jumped? Alright, use medium high, yeah? Don't need to use too high heat, use medium or medium high to saute this for like at least I think 4-5 minutes easily, or maybe even a little bit more, yeah? Now to be honest, I tried to deep fry it before, hopefully it can be faster, but the result wasn't too fantastic. I actually feel it become too hard, yeah, too tough. So I still think this is better. Saute this for at least about 5-7 minutes, yeah? 5 to 7 minutes. Of course, depending on the amount of caipo. Ooh, it just flown to my face just now. But you can definitely start to see this is after about 2 minutes plus. Some of the Caipo already started to shrink. Yeah. So this is about 5 minutes. I think good enough. You can see everything shrink. Yeah. So now I'm going to put in the garlic. Maybe not the chili first, just the garlic. Give it a few stir for a while. Oh, now I can smell the garlic. I want to repeat. Actually, normally I would have used a little bit more Caipo for this. Yeah. Then the chili. And done. Oh, I can actually give it a little bit of light soy sauce. Just to give it some balanced flavor because it is actually sweet. Alright. Just done. Let me open. Oh, check out the fish. Very nice. And we are going to remove the fishy water, the steamed fish water. That is the source of fishiness also, Right, so I have removed the ginger and I have removed the fishy water. Now, very simple. You're just going to pour this all over the fish, the Caipo. Oh, one thing I forgot to make the steamed fish water, right? But don't worry, the steamed fish sauce, don't worry, it is super simple. Let me show you. So just now, this is the Caipo, the bowl. Give it some water. Give it some light soy sauce. Done. That's how simple it is, You can add some garlic oil if you like, up to you. But today, the main important ingredient is really the Caipo. So we'll pour the steamed fish sauce at the side. And we shall garnish it with some fresh coriander on top. And done. That's how simple it is to make Caipo fish at home. Right, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Home cooking can be very, very simple. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.